So when you're ready, guys. All right, here we go. Break number 67, single box break of SP GameUsed. I'm gonna let you guys choose the box. We're just gonna do the randoms first. So there's the 30 teams, 30 spots. I mean, sorry. So 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So Alex F at the top and Dennis P at the bottom. To our Excel. So that's our team, guys. Our teams. Ducks, Alex. Coyotes, Anthony. Bruins, Frank. Sabres, Anthony. Flames, Alex B. Hurricanes, Denis. Blackhawks, Joe. Colorado, Denis. Blue Jackets, Dan. Stars, Alex B. Wings, Anthony. Oilers, Anthony. Panthers, Dan. Kings, Denis. Wild, Denis. Canadiens, Dom. Preds, Alex F. Devils, Alex B. Islanders, Denis. Denis. Rangers, Alex B. Flyers, Dom. Penguinos, Dom. Ottawa, Benoit. Sharks, Denis. Blues, Alex F. Lightning, Denis. Leafs, Denis. Canucks, Denis. Capitals, Alex B. And Jets, Denis. So, did everyone hear their team? So let me just post the teams on Facebook. There you go. So, first person to comment, 1, 2, 3, go. 2. Box number 2. So good luck, guys. Let's see some nice cards here. I'm just gonna try to focus today. Wait a sec. Come on. Ah, there you go. Serial number. Just in case we get short in a card. Three, 4, 5. Empty box. So, can I feel the fatty? Not too much. So, good luck, guys. Hi, Philip. Good luck, guys. And we start with a patch. So, we're going to keep it for after. We're gonna have a random between the Boston and Buffalo. Team Canada Fabrics, Dougie Hamilton and Mark Pysyk. Pysyk is Buffalo, right, guys? Yep, that's what I thought. So random at the end. So here we go. Second pack. Authentic Fabrics for the Kings of Jonathan Quick. For the Kings. Authentic Fabrics for the Maple Leafs of Dion Phaneuf. For Toronto, Dion Phaneuf. For the Canucks, autograph of Trevor Linden. Trevor Linden for the Canucks, autograph. Nice card. And the patch. The patchy. Let me just peek. Oh, very nice. Very nice. We've got, for the Montreal Canadiens, ink rookie sweaters patch autograph out of 25 of Brendan Gallagher. Very nice for Montreal. Two-color patch out of 25. Brendan Gallagher. So, no true rookies. Montreal is Dominic. Let's do the random. Mac and the other one, yeah. We're gonna do the random. Let me just set it up. Bruins, buff, Bruins, buff, Bruins, and buff. So there we go. For the Team Canada dual jersey. Bruins, Buffalo, Bruins, Buffalo, Bruins, Buffalo. 3 times. Person on top gets the card. 1, 2, good luck. 3 to the Boston Bruins. Congrats. So, that's it, guys. Thank you very much. And see you next time.